Hello everyone. Welcome back to the garden. I hope everyone had a happy and safe Halloween. I think we had like 90 little goblins. Uh, Alright, today's video is more Heucheras or corbels. That's what it seems like every nursery that I've gone to on their specials this year has had. That's all they had left, basically, is Heucheras. Uh, this one is called, let me find, there it is. This one's called Pink Panther. Part shade to full sun, or full shade, sorry. Height 10 to 12 inches, face 16 to 20 inches. Less than 4 hours of daily sun, zones 4 to 9. Blooms midsummer. Pair with hardy geranium, hostas, and foxglove. Well, I got foxglove right back there, so I guess they're close enough. Metallic pink leaves in spring. Dark berry pink leaves in summer. Dark rose calyxes, light pink flowers. Plant in humus-rich, well-drained soil. Trim back tattered foliage in spring. Thrives in part shade. All right, guys. I'm gonna put them here. I hope that this might get. I hope this is not too much sun here in this area, but we'll see. This year, with all the cloud cover, it wouldn't have really mattered. But every year's different, so it may not be that way next year. So let's get. I've got the holes dug here. We'll get about a half cup Biotone starter fertilizer in each hole. And we'll get them in the ground. Get this show on the road. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you. Last night about midnight, we had a couple of inches of snow, our first snow already for the year. And the night before that, it got down to like 30, 29, 30. So all the annuals, all the dahlias, I'll take you around and show you at the end of this video. They're gone. I came up, got up yesterday morning, and all of those things, coleus, all that stuff was just cooked, fried, done. It said, "Arrivederci, we're out of here. Too cold for us." So that's where we are with that. So that's going to be a future project, cleaning all that up. I mean, I could, if you guys want to, I mean, I don't know, would you want me to make a video of me just doing, taking all the annuals and stuff out? Just let me know in the comments if you do. All right, there's one in. Yes, it's, I think, about 39 degrees right now. And that is very cold. But I'm of the mindset that these little fellas would rather be in the ground than not. And I've always, like, if this ground's not frozen, you can dig a hole. Why can't you plant? Been my philosophy anyway. So Pink Panther, kind of interesting name. You see the leaves. I got to do the leaf cleanup at some point too. All right. I love this time of year, really. Okay. Let's, those three are in the ground. I know it's, well, I try to not plant things in a row, but you see, I seem to do that a lot. I don't know, it's just the way things work for me, I guess. I don't know. But also, I move things a lot too. So we'll go for there. But that's that's the way I roll. All right, those three are in the ground. Let me show you the dahlias. Well, I've already taken most of those up, but give you a quick look at here. Let me show you some snow left over. See, there's snow. We got about 2 inches last night, about midnight. First snow of the year. It's actually a little early, I think. Oh, I want to show you something. Here's my first Cheyenne Spirit that has more than one color on it. Yeah, they're still blooming. Here's some Coreopsis still blooming. I don't know if you can see flowers because of all of the leaves. There's some Coreopsis still blooming. Here's the little Kismet is still blooming. Even though like the high for today is 41, I think. But here, let me show you the annuals. You see those? There's the coleus. It's all done. Here's the sun fascias. They're all wrinkled up. So that's where, so I got to be pulling those out. And I think I've got one dahlia left right here that I haven't pulled out. But see the leaves, flowers, they're all cooked. So that's where we are. All right, guys. That's enough for this video, I guess. Got everything in the ground. Those three in the ground. It's more of the bargain stuff I bought called Pink Panther. It's a different color than those over there. You can see there's the black pearl on the left, dressed up evening gown on the right. These are a little more berry colored. This is grown by, I don't know if this is just a local gardener or nursery that raises these or what. It's, you know, Pink Panther. I don't see it other places. But there you have it. They're in the ground. And you can see the snow. Here, let me show you the snow up on the roof. See the snow on the roof? Yeah, we had some snow. The new roof. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I do truly appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate you guys a lot. Make me feel good. Not that that's your job and that I expect that, but it does make me feel good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see, I hope that, like I said, I hope you had a safe and happy Halloween and that the goblins didn't get you too much. They did the monster mash. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening. See you in the next one. Ciao.